just couldn't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crafting Joy. In this video, we would learn how to draw Garfield. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so we will start from his little pink nose and then we'll draw a line in the upward direction from the center. Then we'll make two ovals, one to the left, other one to the right. We have to make sure that these two ovals are equal in size because they denote the eyes, and we have equal eyes, so obviously Garfield also have equal eyes, isn't it? Now we will make two ears joining from the center. We'll take a center point and we will join the ears. After that, we will make his face, which will include two curved lines to the left and to the right. Then we'll make two hooks and then the cheeks. Okay, and now another two hooks. Now the eyes, which are pretty simple. We will now make the complete face, which is just a curved line to the left and the right, and which will go downwards. After that, we will make the markings of Garfield, which comprises of three lines: small line, big line, and the biggest line. We do it 4 times. After that, we are making the neck of the Garfield. And we will make him wear a bib because let me tell you, he is about to enjoy some delicious food. So it's pretty important to dress up accordingly, isn't it? Alright, now we are making the table where he would be eating his mouth-watering food. We will make 2 arms. So this is the first arm where he will have a fist in which he will be holding the fork from which he would be eating. So this is the fork. Okay, now we will make the second arm where he would be having a knife in the fist. Okay, and the knife. And if you guys observe this, you would understand that there is one little mistake in this, and that is there isn't ample amount of space between the face and the knife which we are about to draw. So make sure that you do not commit the same mistake and leave a good amount of space so that he can hold this big knife. So we will erase it and we'll draw the fist again. And this time he's all good to go and he can now hold a knife. Okay. Alright. Move the extra markings. Okay. Now we will make the table. It's pretty simple to make the table. We'll just draw firstly horizontal lines. And you know what? The most important feature of Garfield? the 3 here. So make sure that you don't forget it. Smaller, bigger, and then the smaller. Small, big, small. Okay. There we go. This is done. Now some slanting lines on the table. Okay, now the table is all done. We will now make the chair on which he is sitting. 2 downward lines. Okay, that's done. We will now remove all the extra markings. Okay, that's also done. We will now make the markings on his ears. After that, we will make his tongue, as he's super excited for food. And we are all good. We can now color it. Let's see how it looks like after coloring.